Hey, Sonny, I wanted to just give you a quick update and get confirmation on what we're going to do with the document that you sent to me right here. So this is the document. Disregard this right now. This is for demonstration purposes for you only, but here's the document that you said to me. And I grabbed this position first, the head of human resources and admin. First of all, I'm not seeing a head of human resources and admin on your org chart. So if I go to here, I do see, like if I do HR, I do see head HR and admin officer. So there's this person. Is that this position? Because if it is, we should correspond the Word document with the boxes on your org chart. So either change this or change the Word document. So head of human resources, or if this position needs to be added, that would be we can do that too. But generally speaking, what we'll do is let's just say that this is that position. So what we would do is I would click on this. And in the objective, I will take this information, what you've got in the job description. So I would just grab this information like so. Oops, didn't mean to do that. And copy it. And I would paste it in here. And I would get rid of those boxes. Okay, and then I'm going to probably put a space in there. So to provide oversight and guidance to the development and monitoring of processes related to recruitment and retention, compliance, compensation, benefits, training, and development, as well as oversee administrative functions, apply to ability to interpret policies and make recommendations. I don't know how necessary that is, but let's just leave it in for now. It's no big deal. You can always edit that out later. The next thing I will do is I come back here, and there's a section called responsibilities. Now, usually responsibilities, it gives us some indication of what the processes are that people would be doing. So what I like to do is mark up your document, and the highlighted would be, the yellow highlights are going to be process names. So what I would do is I would take this. So a process would be planning, phases, and organization. And then I would come out to the 4 key functions, and I would go into the guiding the business section. And under data migration, I would create a process, and I would call it planning, phases, and organization. And I would put it under data migration. I like to put everything here because I want you to know where we've put something in case you want to edit it after you review it. And we'll talk about that after we get started. Then what we'll do is we'll come back here and we'll grab this, which is sort of a description of what the planning, phases, and organization process is. Plan and carry out policies relating to all phases. I would select this, and I would put this right here. Get rid of that checkbox. So the process now is called plan and carry out policies relating to all phases. This is the objective, and this is the process name. And then we would link it to that position, which is right here. And I would probably just make it strategic for now. So what we would do is go through each one of these responsibilities and look to see, does this sound like a process to us? And then we would create the process name, paste the sentence in the objective, and link it to the appropriate person. Do exactly what I just did for this first process for all of these. And that's what we'll do. What you'll end up with, so you'll notice down here where it says not a process, represent the company at personnel-related hearings and investigations. What I would want from you is to confirm, is this actually a process? So is there a process for representing the company at personnel-related hearings and investigations? Contract with outside suppliers to provide employee services such as canteen, So again, that might be a process. My data migration person read that and thought, is this a process or is this not a process? May negotiate collective bargaining agreement with workers' compensation. Is there a process for that? And then this is obviously not a process, any other duties that may be assigned. So that's clearly not a process. But I would check in with you on these three that she doesn't think are processes. They might be, in which case I would then create those. So I'm going to send this email to you. Let's have a conversation. Please schedule another meeting, a follow-up meeting for me, and let's just confirm that you're good with us going through this, because there are going to be a lot of processes in here, and maybe we want to pick one or two positions to begin with, and then pick it up from there. Okay? Talk to you soon.